Wow, we need to look in the window urgently. Wow, there's so much Coca-Cola here. I want it so much. But how do we get it? At least a jar? I have a couple of coins. Hooray! Here, one for you, Miley. Thank you. Here, look, insert coins here. First you, and now me. All right, dial a code. Me too. And we wait. Why isn't it giving anything? Broke down? That's it, Jess. Give us our Coke! I want Coke. Wow. What's that? It's glowing, so beautiful. Something is going to happen now. Well, girlfriend, it's time to plunge into the world of vending machine. Let's go!